So hello students, so in our previous class we have studied about the introduction of this chapter. After that the characteristics of living organism. Now after that we have studied about the biodiversity, and after that we have studied about what is meant by taxonomy and what is meant by systematics. Now today we will study the nomenclature. Nomenclature. And earlier there are millions plants and animals in all over the world. Okay. Now we know that all the animals and plants by their local name in our local area. Okay. But these local names are varied from place to place or within a country. So now ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಅರ್ತ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡಾಟಾ ಅವ್ರ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವು ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದಾವ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಲೋಕಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದಾವು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರದ ಹೆಸರೇನ ಒಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೀಸ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವ್ಯಾರಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಬೇರೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು that's why we need to standardize the naming of that organism. Such a organism, such a particular organism is known by same name in all over the world. Okay. Now nomenclature is done by two ways. First ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಇದೇನು nomenclature ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು it is ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ the naming of an organism. The naming of an organism. Okay. Now when I do millions of plants and animals now here there are millions of plants and animals in the world. We know these plants and animals by their local name, but these local names are varied from place to place or within a country. That's why we need to standardize the naming of that organism. Such an organism is known by same name in all over the world. Okay, that's why this naming of the organism is done by two ways. First one is the vernacular name. Vernacular name, and second one is the scientific name. What is vernacular name? The name given in a local language. The name given in a local language. That is local name. Here scientific name, we provide a scientific name to the known organism, to each known organism. So these scientific name are same in all over the world. Okay. After that these local names are varied from place to place. Place to place or within a country. Within a country. That's why we provide the standard name. Okay. We provide scientific name. It is also known as biological name, scientific name, or it is also known as a biological name. So it is same in all over the world. Okay. Now after this, the number of scientists which established the procedure for what purpose? To ensure the scientific name of each known organism. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಇದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ದ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ನ್ಯೂಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ. ದಿಸ್ procedures, the all biologists have accepted this procedure. Ella biologists ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರು ಈ procedure accept ಮಾಡ್ರು. Now for the plants the scientific name ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ based on the agreed principle or some criteria. Okay. Now for plant, the scientific names based on the agreed principles and some criteria which provided in one committee is there. The committee name is ICBM. What is ICBM? It is important for 1 marks. That is expand the ICBM. 1 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ long form ಬರೆಯಕ, that is expand the ICBM. ICBM means the international code for botanical nomenclature. Now ICBM means the International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. Botany means the study of plants. We are given in this committee, we given the name for plants. Okay. Now next for animals. Here also we give the scientific name based on the agreed principle and criteria which provided in ICZN. It's important for 1 marks. Expand the ICZN. ICZN means the International Code for Zoological Nomenclature. Okay. So animal scientific name ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾಸ್ ಇದಾವ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ICZN International Code for Zoological Nomenclature. This committee for naming scientific names for animals. Here ICBM which provides certain agreed principles and criteria for the scientific name of the plants, for the all known plants. Now the scientific names ensure that each organism has only one name. Okay. Now that also ensures that the name is not repeated for any other organism. Okay. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಿ, ಸೊ ಆ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಆ ಹೆಸರು ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ nomenclature. Okay. Now the nomenclature is classified into various types. That is polynomial nomenclature, binomial nomenclature, trinomial nomenclature. Okay. In your NCERT book we have only binomial nomenclature point, so we will study only one point, one type, that is binomial nomenclature. Okay. Nomenclature, binomial nomenclature. What is binomial nomenclature? We providing the scientific name by using two components. We providing scientific name to the organism by using two words, two components. Now first one is a generic name. Generic name, that is known as genus. And second name, two words. First word is a generic name, that is genus. And then second name it is known as specific epithet. It is known as species. Genus and species. In binomial nomenclature, we use two components, two words. First one is a genus and second one is a species. Okay. Now, this binomial nomenclature system first used by Carolus Linnaeus. He is a scientist. He used binomial nomenclature for the first time. He proposed the scientific names to the all plants and animals. That's why he is a founder of binomial nomenclature. Okay. So this binomial nomenclature system first time used by Carolus Linnaeus. Now this Carolus Linnaeus scientist who proposed the scientific names to the all plants and animals. That's why he is the founder of binomial nomenclature. Now the Carolus proposed the scientific name to the plants in his book. His book name is Species Plantarum. Species Plantarum. Okay. He then systematic binomial nomenclature first time use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಒಬ್ಬ scientist ಹೆಸರು ಏನೈತಿ Carolus Linnaeus ಅಂತ ಐತಿ. ಇವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಕ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇವರು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ binomial nomenclature ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟಾರ. ಆ ಬುಕ್ ಹೆಸರು ಏನೈತಿ Species Plantarum ಅಂತ ಆ ಬುಕ್ ದ ಹೆಸರು. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು for example of binomial nomenclature, Mangifera indica lin. Binomial nomenclature ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It is a scientific name of the mango. Mango ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Okay. Mango plant mango it is a local name. It is a local name. Now the scientific name of the mango, that is Mangifera indica. The binomial nomenclature ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? In this we have two components. We have two words. First one is a genus and second word is a species. First one Mangifera, it is a genus, and second one is a indica. Lin means what? Lin means he is the author who proposed the scientific name of this plant for the first time. Idan mango plant ಐತಿ, ಇದು scientific name first time ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ Carolus Linnaeus. ಸೊ ಇವರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆಥರ್ ಆದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಈ ಆಥರ್ ಹೆಸರು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಬ್ರಿವೇಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆಥರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. Now there are several rules in binomial nomenclature. Now we are studying about the rules. The rules of binomial nomenclature. Okay. Now the first important question. The rules of binomial nomenclature. The first name, the biological names means scientific name. Here the first one, the biological names is derived from Latin. It derived from Latin. Okay. When it is written in textbook, it is in italic form. Okay. Biological names we derived from Latin, from their irrespective origin. Okay. Now second, derived from Latin, from their irrespective origin. Okay. Now second, the first word in biological names denotes species. Genus. See here, second rule. The first word, binomial nomenclature on the third words. It have two components, two words. The first name of that scientific name, it denotes as a genus, and the second word in biological name represents species. It is also known as specific epithet. Okay. Now the first word, that is biological names, is derived from Latin. Elinda derived from Latin, but when it is in written in the textbook, that time it is in italic form. Now they are derived from Latin, from their irrespective origin. Okay. Second is the first word of biological names, that is scientific name, it denotes as a genus, and the second word it represents as a species. It is also known as specific epithet. Now in the biological names, that is scientific names, the both words in biological names, we have both words in biological. Both words in biological names, when handwritten, the time handwritten, underline separately. So here have the third rule. Both words means two words in biological names. Means in scientific name we have two words. The both words when we handwritten in our notebook, that time you may underline separately. Two word can separately underline. You will see by giving one example. Now last one, fourth rules. Now here we have two words in scientific name. The first word that is genus starts with capital letter. name is used as abbreviated form. Abbreviated form. The author name means who give the scientific name to that particular organism, means who give the scientific name for particular organism, that time we used as his name is the scientist name as a author. Okay, now here the author name is used as an abbreviated form after species name. Okay, for example, we'll take one example. Mangifera indica. Now first rules, it tells us the biological names is derived from Latin language. Okay. Now when it is written, that time it will be italic form. Okay. Now next, the first word in biological names denotes genus. Now Mangifera, it is genus, and Indica, it is a species name. Okay. Indica is a species name. Now third, both words in biological names when handwritten make underline separately. We will make underline separately for genus and species. If you make a single line for both words, then it will be wrong answer. Okay, so make a separate underline for genus and species. If it is printed here, if it is handwritten, then it underline separately. If it is printed, if it is printed, then it is in italic form. Now form italic form. So handwritten idaga you separately underline ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, or matlab the first word genus start with the capital letter. So first word ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, genus the capital letter ಬರಬೇಕು. We have to write the capital letter. First letter we have to write as a capital letter, and second, that is species, indica. Okay, the second letter starts with the small letter. So we use a small letter for a species. Okay, now the last statement, the author name, that is Linnaeus, Carolus Linnaeus, who give the scientific name for the mango plant for the first time. That's why we use the author name after specific name. Okay, now these are the rules of the binomial nomenclature. Clear? The first one is biological names Latin word in the derived agati, printed idike italics word ittadu. Second one is the first word of biological is genus ati, second one is the species ati. Third rule is both word biological names or ಎರಡು word ಏನಿದಾವು ನಾವು ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಜೀನಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಲೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಲೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋರು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳೋರು, ದ ಆಥರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ used as abbreviated form after the specific name. So this is about the rules of binomial nomenclature. Clear? Okay, next point we will cover in next session. Thank you.